Alright guys, good evening, happy Saturday. Nandito naman tayo sa Flavors Indian food here. I'm going to taste their authentic biryani and their chicken tikka masala. Their food is authentic. They have mutton biryani, chicken biryani, tofu biryani. They have also chicken curry, tikkas, and tandoori. So, in the morning, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So, here at Burgos Street. So, I'm gonna taste their mutton biryani. Look at the rice. It's very authentic. It's long grain rice. So for those people that likes to eat biryani, must try their food here. So with matching chicken tikka, chicken tikka masala here, and sauce. This is the sauce of biryani. So I order mild spicy. So if you feel spicy, you will put sauce so that it will melt the spicy. So I'm gonna try. By the way, this is raita sauce. I'm gonna try first their biryani. So yummy. And also I just want to try their chicken tikka masala. So yummy guys. So again, I'm here at Flavors Authentic Indian restaurant here at Burgos, Makati. So try it. Their price also is not expensive. So this is only for 400 peso, good for 2 to 3 person. And also their biryani, good to 2 to 3 person. And also I order calamansi juice for refresh. So again, let's eat. I really feel I can really taste the spices here, the cardamom, the green cardamom, and also their level of spices is kind of good. Like, so if you order spicy, it will be spicy. So I order now mild. It's spicy for me. So look at the rice. It's long grain rice, unlike the other biryani. It's not long grain. This is really authentic. I feel like I'm in India. So spicy. It's really authentic. Mm. So yummy. One thing I like this restaurant is their chef cook is Indian. So it's really authentic. Look at their cardamom. So yummy. Again, thank you for watching to my vlog here at the Flavors Indian Restaurant. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel also. And bye bye.